No, the man will show her. The man will show her. She's never done it before, so.
Yeah. So with your thumb, you just press this one down.
That's the accelerator, Chelsea.
Yep. So that makes it go. And then with your fingers, you just push this one down, and I'll make you stop. All right. When you go around the corners, try to go a bit slower. So just take your thumb off.
It doesn't matter, darling. If you don't know how to do it, the man will help.
Just tell me if you need help, okay? So just make sure you just go a bit slow.
Slow, Chelsea, slow.
Chelsea, slow down.
Just let the...
Do like this.
It's alright, darling. You just have some fun.
Keep going.
Chelsea, slow down. Oh my god. Shh, not funny. It's not funny. She's gonna hurt herself. I don't know if she. I think she should. Boy, you can swap. Alright.
I'm not doing 4 minutes on this.
That's it, sweetie. Just stop and let the boy pass. Stop. That's it. Do you want to keep going? You had enough. Yeah, you've had enough.
If you just head over there, you can get a refund.
Oh, okay, thanks, mate. I thought she might be alright, but I think she might do some damage.
These ones are pretty new and they're...
Are they? Yeah, because the other boys did it last year and they didn't. Yeah, they seemed to be fine. They were her age, so I thought she might be alright, but they seem like they go pretty quick. Good girl, Tess. These go faster than last year.
Sorry?
The man said they go faster than last year. Oh. Hop out, you can go get your money back, Chelsea. Did you have fun? Oh, sorry. You have fun, Charles? Even though you nearly killed yourself?
Yeah, it was fun. Did you get the bit where she...
I think so. I was too busy going, oh! They go heaps quicker than last year. Alright, come on, Charles, come over here, sweetie.